A new report reveals that most of California's snowpack hasn't even started to melt yet, and that means flooding remains a threat. A crew with the Department of Water Resources checked yesterday and found that the snowpack is still at 250% of normal levels for this time of year. That represents nearly 50 inches of water if all of it melted at once. Snow levels have only been this high a handful of times since the 1950s. And even though we had a big warm up late last month, April was still cooler than average. So places like the San Joaquin Valley are preparing for a long, wet and dangerous summer.